तो हम क्या करें? What the fuck are you doing? What the hell is this? This guy just wrote his phone number. Should I call him? Hello? Good evening. You say YouTube has launched one of their new features, as you can call it. It is a disgusting mixture of live and short, and Indians are going batshit crazy for this shit. It's really nasty. You know, some people just sleep and they let the YouTube live get on with it. It feels really bad seeing how people of our country are using this tool. I discovered it in like a pretty comical way, I would say. I was in the college going through my phone in the canteen while eating stuff, and during that time I just searched up Pile Gaming. You know Pile Gaming? She was doing this shorts live, so I clicked on it. And I thought, okay, this is a new feature. I kinda like it. More dopamine for the kids while watching shorts, lives, stuff. I just swiped once and boom, there is in softcore on there, man. It is disgusting, man. And the people over there who are in the chat are literal examples of incels. In this video, we're gonna take a look at everything that goes on into this shit. Alright? Cue the intro. We are here on our cellular device over here. As you can see, it's a Samsung. There is Morse code on this whatever, I don't know why. It says do shit. Do you? Let's go on to YouTube. Okay, let's search. What the f is going on? Anyways, let's. Oh, what is that? Hey dear, how are you? And miss you. See what I mean with these incels in the chat room? This is just one of the comments. Just wait for me to fucking scroll this shit. It's gonna be diabolical. Let me show you.
My name is
What the f? HB Gaming?
गलत मत लिखिए.
सर्विस दोगी क्या? Says टपाटप.
अच्छे से बात कीजिए. से बात करिए.
She is pissed, man.
I am Johnny. Okay. की बीबी हूँ हम.
तो हम क्या करें? This guy, man. There are some pervs like this on the chats over here. They do be doing this stupid ass shit like trying to get her to do something on YouTube. If you want to see something naughty, there are other sites for it. You can see behind me. These are some sites. Don't spew your bullshit filth on YouTube, man. Okay, here's one of the victims. Okay, for first there is as you can see there is a paid girl. Search karo kuch dikhati hu 92. That's her number. What the f? Age dhyan diye. The f? How would you say that, man? Sangharsh thapa pallu side karo. You look very beautiful. What a lovely smile. Nabhi kaise dikhao aaj. Oh my God, he's a f***ing lord. There is just one guy chatting with him.
Guys, I already told you what the path is for GC. You go to the high end of the market.
He's yapping about something Iman Galji stuff, escape the matrix, and rotate kind of stuff. What is this?
हवा खाती तड़का मोटातीस नहीं पड़ी.
संगवारियों में पतलू हो गए हो, देख लो हवा खा खा के.
What the f is going on over here? Why are you spewing romance on shorts? Live. I don't get some people, man. There are some people who vlog their whole family. I didn't mean to say. They just dig their cameras into their families like content. अरे ये क्या आज मेरे बच्चे ने वो किया तो हल vlog ये just leeching out their whole family, man. Oh, there is a dance party going on. Let's hear it. Oh my God, he has a dongle. I want to also see the dance. I'm just gonna wait over here. Let's put on some yeet or something like that and let's go. She started singing. अपने कपड़े ठीक कर बहन के लिए. Ooh, good singing.
No more saying cuss words, guys.
Who the fuck is this? What the fuck? What is this, man? This is just straight up racist shit. They literally called her Draupadi Murmu over here. Are you married? Are you gonna marry her, man? What the fuck? What is this? Oh my god, it is a face off cook off, I guess. I don't know. Like, there are some people that are genuinely enjoying themselves over here. They're doing it for like shits and giggles, I guess. But there are some downright incel people over here. I've recorded some things over here, and this stuff, men literally thirsting over calling them beautiful and stuff. I mean, there is nothing wrong about it, but people just go out of the way saying nastiest things to them. Had a screenshot over here. He was asking her, his name first of all is like motivational videos 1599 mein puri raha. So you know what I mean by all this shit, man. Let's look into some of the recorded absurdness of the chat. I was just scrolling down. Look at this.
Open up. Show me some ass.
Look at
Take
this.
off all your
Open up.
clothes.
What the hell is what? See, look at what the hell is trash of a human being doing over here. Like, what the hell even is this, man? What is this? This guy says, remove it. What the hell, man? He says, open. Look at her. What is she doing? What is that? What is that pose? Is she on like a fetal position or something? See, Duddu nikalo Duddu. What the f? What is this?
ओ बाप रे नींद आ रही है मुझे अब क्या करना कल्पना
सो जाओ ना मैडम फिर. What the hell is this? Ungli कर. Audio trash. I guess I'm assuming husband is confused as shit. There are people drooling in the chat. पूरा निकालो, दिखा दो भाभी का. Just ना भाई. Bro, you're in the wrong place, bro. Rowdy boy भाई. You're in the wrong place. This is YouTube, not you.
हेलो बोलो वाओ सेक्सी ओके
What?
बोलची आई लव यू टू
Look at this. This feels wholesome. I'm guessing husband and wife over here cooking for each other. This is just wholesome, man.
3 बच्चे हैं भैया.
Look at that one in the behind. I was looking.
आपके बगल में बच्चा है क्या? हाँ बच्चा है, मेरे बाबू है. मेरे बाबू सोना है. हेलो जी. हाय हलाला क्या होता है? नारायण जोशी.
Shoot.
हेलो, सब मुझे सपोर्ट करो, सब मुझे सब्सक्राइब करो.
She reads it, but I guess she's trying to ignore it. Narayan Joshi is out of the way doing some absurd shit over here. Names female genitalia. Then he goes on to say Pappido. Again, here he goes. Narayan Joshi, kiss karo. Some people are really down bad. Look, she's just singing. It's wholesome. Then we come back to this shit. What the fuck is this supposed to mean, man? I can't even show this, man. What is this position? What are you doing? There are people drooling over this. Look at this guy. He says open. He says थोड़ी खोल के दिखाओ भाभी जी. Yeah, man. What the? You are this fuck. हल्का पैंटी खीलीजिए. The hell, man. ठीक से दिखाओ भाभी. ठीक से दिखाओ भाभी. What the sigma? What the shit? There is no sound. You are providing no value whatsoever to the platform, and you're doing this bullshit over here that I can't even show in my video. There are people drooling in your chat. Look at this. What is this? Is someone giving her the triangle choke, man? What the man? Dana White, look at this, man. What the fuck is this? Armpit. What? Look at her husband just sleeping. She's doing this shit behind his back. What the hell is this? This guy literally asks her bra size. What the f? भाभी के साथ काम शुरू करो. Press करो.
Mango emoji.
हेलो गाइस नमस्कार कैसे हो आप?
She ditched her husband and she started recording her own. What is this?
Banana emoji. Banana emoji. Penti color, please.
What is this, man? They're just sleeping and she just kept her phone like this with the fucking light on at an fucking awkward angle recording this. People drooling again on the fucking chat. Chandan Kumar says Bhabhi Nepal show. What the hell? This is what unemployed females do on Monday. In India, every night, man, every night. What the hell is going on over here? Whoa, look at that. We found a furry. Hello, kitty. He says English or Spanish to her. Good sexy. Okay, show milk. He wants to see milk. So many people want to see milk nowadays, man. Go to a fucking dairy. Find some milk over there. There are huge cartons over there. See what I mean? The downright scum of the earth people in the middle of the night going on YouTube shorts and doing the absurd things. There are children over here, man. There are small boys, small girls who go on YouTube shorts. They could just stumble upon something like this. Show milk. This is bad for children, especially in India. Too many lustful people in India, I guess. This is not the place to find something like this, man. Go get some.
Get alive! Get alive!
There we go. Ryan Gosling over here. This is Ryan Gosling from La La Land. Downright. Kiss karo, please. Alright. I'll meet you at night. Let's catch some people in the midnight, I guess. I don't know. I'll be catching live droolers. Let's transition that.
2 hours later.
Alright, it is 11:20 and let me tie my hair. Let's just start with this live, okay? Go to watch live. She's sleeping. Pretty artificial sleep. दिखा देना अब इंतज़ार नहीं हो रहा. Wrong website, man. मेरी रानी मेरे से बात करो ना. विनय, get a life.
Get alive!
Manoj says nipple. Look at this. Another couple. Just looking at this makes me uncomfortable. Look at him just show his UPI ID over there. Don't give them money, man. Don't give them money. Don't encourage their behavior. This is literally a cancer in the society right now. These people thinking they can get away with anything on the live video, try to get some fame, which is going to eventually gonna run away from them. Imagine these people getting famous. Where would they reach? I don't think they will reach anywhere in the future. I don't know how they will progress in the further life with having to do this. If I did this, I would have serious PTSD. This lick karna bekar hai. This guy just Yadav, I love you, wrote his phone number. Let's see if that is legit. Yadav, Uttar Pradesh West. This is some guy's ID named Yadav. He is in this woman's chat. Should I call him? I don't know. Stuff like this just makes me piss my pants. But I think we should call him. I should ask him how he's doing. Let's see what happens. Hello. Yadav. Hello. Hello. He just cut his phone. I'm gonna try to call him again.
Round 2.
I'm calling him again. Hello. अजय यादव बात कर रहे हैं क्या?
बताइए।
हेलो.
हेलो।
अजय यादव बात कर रहे हैं क्या?
बोलिए।
आप ये क्या कर रहे हैं YouTube Shorts पे? He just cut his phone, man. That is content right there, guys. That is how you grab content.
Get alive!
Look at this. What the fuck are you doing? Dikhao doodh. Why is everyone obsessed with milk? Is there a global calcium deficiency over here? Calcium deficiency in India? Everybody wants to see doodh. Everybody wants to see milk. It's weird, man. It's weird. I'm out of here. Open trans. What the fuck is going on here, guys? Silver और gold में क्या मिलेगा? What the fuck? This guy Sahil is literally he's bribing her, man. Damn, this is new. First time I've seen something other than a human crack. He's cracking up the earth.
Jai Mahakali.
Jai Mahakali. Oh, here he is again. Ryan Gosling, guys.
Bruh.
Look at this. Look at this lady, man. What is she doing? Stop harassing me, woman. My God, it's 11:30, ma'am. Go to sleep. Why are you still selling? BBA students be like. This is final year project BBA, by the way.
बुकिंग तेलंगाना लाइक करो सब्सक्राइब करो
She's like a street vendor. Like करो, subscribe करो, like करो. Like my video too, guys.
जिसको भी फेमस होना है मेरे साथ सुपर चैट करके कमेंट करें, वो मेरे साथ फेमस हो जाएगा.
Okay, I wanna be famous. How do I like?
और पर्सनल वीडियो देखे जाके आप लोगों को काफी अच्छी वीडियो देखने को मिलेंगी.
What the fuck? दूध दिखाओ दो. My God, she looks like Momo.
अम्मा बनोगी किसकी भैया? अम्मा तो हम किसी के भी बन जाएगी. आप दोनों लिस्बन हो. हाँ भैया लिस्बन है हम दोनों.
दूध दिखाओ ब्रो.
तुम सर्विस देते हो. काहे का सर्विस भैया? टिफिन उफिन पहुँचाना बताइए. खाना वाना बना के पहुँचाते हैं. सर्विस देते हैं ना. खाना वाना बना के पहुँचा देते हैं. वही काम ही करते हैं. बर्तन झाड़ू पोछा कपड़ा बच्चे सब.
You win!
What is this profile picture, man? Looks like a cyclop, man. Hashtag beofa, hashtag sad, hashtag status, hashtag reel, hashtag viral, hashtag Instagram, hashtag top, hashtag comment.
My cash app is money sign.
This is like, I guess, an American woman, and an Indian guy over here says, "You have nice eye." Singular eye. Which eye, man? Karthik? Left or right eye? You are ugly. Wow. Wow, guys. This is 2024. This is how we treat our women. I am gay, bro. I love you. Let me ask this guy the age-old question. He didn't reply. Just reply, man. I'm gonna try one more time.
I got English or Spanish.
He reads. He doesn't reply, man.
फ्रेंड्स लेफ्ट में है कि राइट में है? बस मैं अपना हाथ खोलने ही वाली हूँ।
She's doing magic, I guess.
दोनों में है नहीं, फिर से सही बताइए, गलत जवाब है आपका।
I go with left.
फ्रेंड्स राइट लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट।
Left from my left. I'm telling bro, it's in left. Go fast, it's left, man. I'm going to left now. It's not in my patience to watch this.
ये देखिए ये है मेरा लेफ्ट हाथ और इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है?
Let's go. It means it's another life left.
राइट हाथ में है कॉइन, तो राइट वाले सही आंसर है।
1000 IQ. Damn. The guy on the right looks like our electrical teacher. क्या हो रहा है? पेला पेली आवाज आ रहा है। कट्टर हिंदू भाई, क्या कर रहे हो भाई? Look at this. मस्त है बावी आपका फुटबॉल. Your name is Kattar Hindu and you commenting over here something like this is disrespecting the religion. I don't find myself as an extremely religious person, but this is not good. This guy is actual scum of earth. His name is Kattar Hindu and yet he has the audacity to write something like this in the chat. Unbelievable. Oh my god, what did I stumble upon? This guy's playing BGMI with an Apple pencil. What a lord. Oh my god, it's American Mario. Where is Luigi? Let me ask.
Where is this? Luigi, Mr. Mario, you like this? I'm in the deep south there, Kazdu. The deep south. USA.
USFA, man. I guess that does it for the video. Now, some things that I want to add. People who like to do this kind of streams and people who comment these kind of things, I guess they both are partially wrong in their doing. Those are just my thoughts on it. We literally caught a person doxing himself. That was pretty awesome. I guess he was off by watching YouTube Shorts live. This is such a long name, you know, YouTube Shorts live. Why is it a long name? Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like करिए, subscribe करिए, share.
सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, सुपर चैट ले लो।
Right, bro. Right, I'm out of it. Bye bye.
I couldn't tell the front from the back 'cause she was wearing